There's no escape! Time for you. I've had enough of you. Just die.
Thought I heard something. I swear I'll kill you.
Put you down. Never should have come here. Now you're mine. Come on, come on!
What was that? Found you. That it? Oh.
Traveling in the Reach is dangerous. You need a good carriage. City of Mark, where do you want to go? Climb and back and we'll be off. Get up there.
Did you see a dog out there? Oh well. The Blacks... I guess I'll stay on the lookout. Keep your nose clean while you're here, outsider. Go fiddling with any locks around here, we're going to have a real problem. Releasing a captured dragon. You disrespect me. I don't think I'll ever understand that one.
Fools! Ruda!
We're routed. Fall back. Oh, gonna crash. I cannot best you. Never should have. Come on! Go! Someone there.
Fools! Ruda!
Lead on. I'm behind. Need me to carry something? May the Hist guide us. To oblivion, and I'll keep watch from here. Whenever you're... I will walk alongside you.
Can't sleep well no matter how much drink I put in me.
Ironbreaker mine is 3 times the worth of that Quicksilver mine, and its fathead owner.
And here comes my first visitor. The Museum of the Mythic Dawn is open, friend. Never mind that. Medina is a good woman, but I have my own reasons for opening this museum, and I'm not changing my mind. I have a collection of artifacts from the group that toppled an empire. Their importance to history cannot be forgotten. Why don't you come in? You can browse the displays and we can talk. I have a job you look perfect for. Let's talk inside. Feel free to look around. Come talk to me when you're ready to discuss that job I mentioned. Did you have any questions about the... A little history first. After the Oblivion Crisis, a number of groups cropped up dedicated to wiping out the remnants of the Mythic Dawn. One of these groups found Mehrune's razor, the artifact of Dagon. They split it into 3 fragments and pledged to keep them apart forever. That was almost 150 years ago, and the pieces are still being kept by the descendants of that group, and they're right here, in Skyrim. At least 2 of the owners, Gonzal and Draskua, are dangerous marauders, and the 3rd owner, Jorgen, I only know he lives in Morthal. Here are my notes about them. I'll gladly pay you for getting the pieces any way you can. No questions asked. Our master craftsmen are nothing compared to the perfection of the Daedra. Look how it shines. Here's your gold, as promised. We just need the shards of the blade and the hilt now. Look at them. The legendary sharpness of a Daedric weapon. Marvelous. And here's your payment for the shards. There's only the hilt left to collect. Exciting, isn't it? Good luck finding the fragments.
Here for work.
Unless it's about
Get an axe
gone
and
from a
clean
Jarl
all the
lost in her own head to a Jarl that cares for nothing but herself. Lot of good that does us. Don't know what you're talking about, stranger. I've heard of him. My father had suspicions about his connection to the mythic Dawn. Guess they were true. I don't need this. My family wasted 8 generations keeping that razor safe from a dead cult. As far as I care, it can stay locked in my house. I don't care, but my ancestors do. You can't have it. Easy. Here. These are the keys. The hilt is in a chest in my house. Just don't hurt anyone. All right, then. The mill is my responsibility. And that's what I care for. I just want to be left alone to do my job. And to enjoy what little free time I have when I have it. Yes?
May the sun warm your... So many refuse to take a look. May your road lead you to warm sands.
This Khajiit guards the others.
Oof, I'm worn out.
What is it? Did you try the grip? Isn't it eerie how it seems to mold itself into your hand? Here's your gold. Finally, all the pieces of Mehrune's razor are in my hands. It's time I let you in on something. There's a 4th piece, that scabbard in the display case, built to house the razor, and there's more. I know how to put all the pieces together. We just need to take them to Dagon's shrine and contact the Lord of Change directly. Ever since I was a boy, I felt this strange sense of destiny surrounding the mythic Dawn cult, and now I know what it is. Don't you see? Fate has led you to me and to the pieces. Dagon has to answer our call. We're so close. I'll meet you at the shrine. Good. You're here. I'll place the pieces on the altar, and Dagon should speak to us. Mehrune's Dagon, the Lord of Change. We have brought your razor to you. We beg you, please, bring the blade's full glory to Tamriel again. It's not working. Why don't you give it a try? Just put your hands on the altar.
You, mortal, you are worthy of speaking to. You have claimed the pieces of my razor. It has been an amusing game to witness. But Dagon does not declare a winner while there is a pawn on the board. Kill Silas. He and his family have served their purpose. Kill him. Take your rightful place as my champion, or I will crush you.
Wait, don't kill me. There's another way. I can take the pieces back to my museum, seal them in a display case. You get a generous amount of gold, I get to complete my collection, and nobody has to die. Thank you. Here's your gold. I'll make a run for it back to Dawnstar.
You think to betray Mehrune's Dagon? Suffer!